Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. And today I'm going to share with you my monthly mini Canyon Hollow decor box. It's a home decor box where each month she curates 3 to 4 items for a particular area of your house. So she is going through the year decorating each certain section of your home to add that little extra. Today, when I got my box, on the outside it is written, Terry, happy entertaining. I hope the items in this box make all your dinners a little more special. Teresa. Nice touch. Opening it. So we have a wax seal stamp. I always like to look at them. I like wax seals. So this month's, I believe it's the dining room. And look how pretty that is. Okay. First item I'm pulling out. Looky there. Isn't it pretty? Okay. Save that, put that there. These are a pretty sage color, but they're a little darker than a sage color. Oh, it's a split pea. I like it. Okay. So these are 4 napkins. Well, actually, I think the company might be called Split Pea. But it also looks like Split Pea, doesn't it? Let's see here. They're made in India, 100% cotton, machine wash, tumble dry. And let's see how many we got, because I don't like just 2. So we got 1, 2, 3, and we got 4. Love it. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, we set these aside. And we got a pretty little box here. So bonus points for not just giving us the box they came in. You have wrapped the outside of the box. That takes time, that takes effort, that shows that you truly care. And this is not the box that these came in either. So, opening. This is actually a nice little box. I'm going to set that one aside. Okay. So, these are by Bloomingville. I'm thinking that they are napkin holders, and they are napkin holders, and I love them. I love them, you guys. Okay, one, I love that they're on a little, leather thing there. I love them. They're simple, they're basic, but they're elegant. I love them, you guys. I really do like these. Nice touch. Love those. So far, my dining table is going to look really nice. So we have here on the front, pretty, key rules for entertaining. Number 1, use simple but elegant place settings. Another number 1, stage drinks. Have drinks readily available so guests don't need to ask for refills. Number 1, add personal touches. Add personalized touches. This can be as simple as using a small dish you got from your grandma for butter, displaying a beautiful set of salt and pepper shakers, and using your favorite plates. We only live once, and we should use and share the things we love. I love that. And again, this is Canyon Hollow Decor. on the back, we're not going to look at that yet, but I am going to open the next box. That is wrapped very nicely. And this does not appear to be the box in which it was shipped in either. Or, no, it wasn't. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what's in there. I don't know. But she said something, and I'm thinking I know what this is. Salt and pepper shakers, perhaps? Oh, these are pretty. Look at that. And can you see right there? It's like stamped. And it says Olive Wood Glory. Okay, all right. So this is going to be a shaker. And then this is going to be the grinder. So you could do the grinder salt, the shaker pepper, or salt shaker pepper grinder. You could use either. These are really pretty, you guys. They're very pretty, and they're really nice quality as well. If you were to purchase these in a boutique or, you know, a trendy store, you're paying a pretty penny for these. These are great. Those are very nice. All right. Going in. There's another box. Trying to figure out how to do this because it like fits in here perfectly, and all of the packing stuff, which I love the crinkly stuff. I don't want it to get everywhere. So I'm doing this slowly. Okay, set that down. Unwrap. Okay, so these might be in the box she arrived. They arrived in, or they arrived to her in, but they are not like individually, like they don't have the packaging stuff on there. So that's okay. And I lost my scissors again. Oh, there they are. It's like, how does that happen? All right, so there's two boxes I have here in my lap. Oh, two boxes I have here in my lap. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut through both of them. My assumption is they're probably the same item, maybe a different variation. Okay. 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 So it is a bottle. Why is that not? There we go. That should go down. All right. So we have a water carafe, I guess you could say. And we have another one. Okay. All right. I can see 100% where she was going with these. If you're doing a dinner party, putting a colorful beverage in these and sitting on your table would make a really pretty tablescape. Also, I go to a lot of restaurants, where the water comes in these, so I could see it there. Am I going to have to make a calculated or a specific, am I going to have to remember to use these at my events? 100% yes. I'm going to have to put up a reminder because I'm worried that these are going to go up somewhere and I'm going to forget I got them. So I am going to make an effort to remember I have these. We do host at least one event a year for the family, a big event. Generally two. Last year, I want to say I did 4. I love hosting parties. I love it. So can I use these? 100%. Will I use these? I am going to remember to use these. So yes. So let's look at our monthly box. The monthly box is, $89 a month plus shipping and handling. And, oh, before I do that, let's get to the items. So we have got set of 4 Laurel green napkins. They are 20 by 20 cotton napkins. We got a set of twisted brass napkin rings. We got, oh, this is what I love this. A simple napkin ring is like jewelry for the dining table. Love it. And then we got olive wood glory pepper grinder and salt shaker. The simple, clean lines and elegant wood grain are sure to elevate your dining setting. And then the set of flip top drink bottles. Now you can feel like you are at a fancy 5-star French restaurant right in your own home with this set of 2 flip top drink bottles. Fill them with your water, favorite drink, for an easy refill. Yeah, it's a great box, you guys. A great box this month. Getting my score. Alrighty then. So this is the Canyon, and it's the monthly. Experience, a 10. A 10. Quality. I mean, the bottles are the bottles. Those salt and pepper shakers are amazing. The napkin rings are amazing. The napkins, love them. So for quality, I'm going to do a 9. Value, I'm going to do a 10. Uniqueness, the bottles are unique. I like those salt and pepper shakers, even though, is that my 3rd or 4th so far in a box? But of all of them I've gotten, I think I like these the best. So uniqueness, I like the rings. Uniqueness, I'm going to go with it's dining room. How unique can you be? I'm going to go with 7. Retention, usability. You can use the salt and peppers. Those bottles are only special occasions. The napkin rings and napkin hole or the napkins. Depends. I'm going with 7. And what's my next one? New, different, unique. Because of those bottles, those are unique and different. So because of those bottles, and I love those pepper shakers. Uniqueness, I'm going to give it an 8. So we are at, how do I have 6 numbers? Uniqueness a 10, quality 9. Value 10, new, different, unique. I did it twice, 7 and an 8. I'm going to go with an 8. And then retention is 7. All right. So we have 29 and 15, 44 out of 50. That's great, you guys. Very good. Perfect. All right, everyone, we are going to be closing for another session. Thank you. Thank you for spending your time with me. Thank you for watching. I would love if you subscribed. I would love if you hit the like button. Let me know what your thoughts are on this box, you guys. Take care. Bye, everyone.